So today is August 6th, aka MPact. It's one of the biggest BMW events here in the Northeast. There are so many cool cars, guys. I'm trying my best to film as much as I can. Alright, so last night I gave the 435 a nice detail. I filled it up with gas. It's pretty much ready to go. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today is August 6th, aka MPact. It's one of the biggest BMW events here in the Northeast. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's located at Pocono Raceway. It's not a BMW exclusive event, but it pretty much is all BMWs. There are other cars as well though. So it's about like a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna head over there now. But yeah, it should be fun, some cool events, some cool cars, and cool people. So with that said, guys, let's just cut to the event. Alright guys, we just pulled up to MPact. Car's looking slammed. It's definitely not slammed. I'm on a dip, but it's looking clean. Whole bunch of cool cars here. Look at that. And this is just a green lot. Yeah, this is absolutely wild.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama.
Alright guys, I want to pause really quickly to thank today's sponsor, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys aren't familiar with Simply Carbon Fiber, you've probably been hiding underneath a rock, but they make a whole bunch of cool accessories. That means wallets, sunglasses, watches, and everything is made out of, you guessed it, carbon fiber.
So today I have their carbon fiber slim wallet. As you guys can tell, this thing is super sleek, super simplistic, and that carbon fiber weave is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it has a nice little indent right over here for your fingers, so you can press your cards out just like that. This thing holds up to 7 cards, so I have my credit cards, my debit cards, and even my ID in here. Once you're done, you just pop them right back in, and on the back over here, you have a money clip, so you can keep all your cash right over here, at least until you spend it all on car parts. So before I give all this cash to the guy at the body shop for painting my M Sport kit on the F30, I'm gonna keep it right over here.
So I am by no means a flashy guy, so having a nice, simplistic, slim wallet like this is perfect for me. If you guys watch my channel, you're probably like me and you guys are huge car enthusiasts, so you love your carbon fiber. It helps keep our cars lighter, so I mean, this should make me weigh less, right? Probably not, but anyways guys, if you want this wallet or some of the other cool accessories that they make, definitely go check out the links down in the description below. There's also a promo code for you guys to use, so you can get an additional 10% off. And I mean, come on guys, just look at how good that carbon fiber looks. Anyways guys, go check out those links and let's continue today's video.
I want to check out these G80s. You know, I think this is one of the colors that is an additional cost. This color's sick. Oh, Justin would love this. This is wild too. You don't see that too often. Yeah, these are the carbon buckets. Here's the carbon buckets. Like, come around, check this out. This thing looks sick. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah. This is pretty cool. They're not the carbon buckets, but it looks like they like painted them or something to match, or wrapped them maybe, to match the exterior of the car. That's cool. What the, I think this is, I don't think this is ivory. Yeah, this is Silverstone. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, but how the back of the seats match, that's cool. And of course the engine bay. Everything matching. Yeah, not my favorite color, but it's cool. Another purple G80. Dude, this color is sick. It's nice, right? Yeah, the orange interior on it. Not my choice. I'd probably do like ivory or like Silverstone on the purple. Still looks cool though. Come on, let's go check out the Beamer girls. What do you say?
Okay.
My wife said no.
Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You are like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job, good job. Get mine, no problem. Hit my line, you're irking me.
Better be a good one. No pressure. Nothing. Check out the white G80. I'm really liking the G80s, man. The white's it's kinda A on it. That's nice. Oh, it's just black interior. That's cool. Also really cool. Yeah, this looks really good. You know whose this is, right? That's Brian's. Check out the grill.
It's the mat too, right?
He has a stealth wrap on it. This is sick. This is definitely gonna be pretty cliche to go to a Porsche after a BMW, but dude, these things are sick. Oh man, one day guys. These wheels are massive too. Manual too? Oh, that's cool. Green accents. The green mug. They went all out. No green calipers though. That's a miss. There are so many cool cars, guys. I'm trying my best to film as much as I can, at least of the ones that I like. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool people. Hopefully we'll get to see some of the racing later. That'll be cool. But yeah, we'll just keep on exploring. There's so many vendors here too, guys. Keys isn't here, but they are here with Liquid Molly. So there's the racetrack. We'll definitely check that out later. But for now, I just want to check out the cars. Look at this R8. If you guys didn't come to MPact, definitely try to. It's a really cool event. Another G80. I'm really liking these G80s, especially in this purple. This purple's sick. Here's Mashimaro, one of the sponsors. Huge shout out to them. Awesome people over there. Some cool stuff. Cool cars always. This is sick. This thing looks like a monster. Oh my God. Took the hood off and everything, wide bodied. Yeah, this thing is wild. Looks like it had Silverstone, and they swapped it out for these bucket seats. Not a bad idea. Yes, sick.
I've been getting paid, I've been eating good, I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot.
What's going on, guys? We just ran into my boy from the Daily Driven.
Daily Driven from Florida. You know, we just chatted for a little bit, talking about his new build coming up. So definitely stay tuned. He's lit a little hinters on my channel, but I'm sure you guys have hints already.
Go check out his channel. If you don't already, you're missing out. Go check out his channel. He has a sick G80. He had an F80 as well.
Yeah, I don't miss the F80. I'm not gonna lie, I don't miss the F80 at all, but it is what it is.
It is what it is, guys, but go check him out if you haven't already. Lots of cool people here. We're gonna keep on exploring.
Yeah, and he's gonna capture all the footage for you guys, so definitely check that out.
Anyways, guys, let's keep going. Got a GTR over there. It's definitely cool. It's, you know, there's a lot of BMWs, but there's also other cars as well, which, you know, obviously, guys, I love my BMWs, but I can always appreciate a GTR. F80 Ho, if you're watching this is all you one day, man. We have FCP Euro here. I literally get all my maintenance stuff from them. They're the best. Lifetime warranty comes in clutch. Got some more Porsches over here. Yeah, this thing's sick. This is sick. Audis are cool, man. Definitely prefer BMW, but Audis are cool. This thing is sick, though. One day, guys. Porsche will be one day. PDK. Their wheels are always so big. I don't know. Not crazy about that. Here's the Mashimaro M3, the G80. Check out that exhaust. I actually got to speak to Sean from Mashimaro, so super cool dude. It's cool when you work with someone and you meet them and they're just like genuinely nice. Such a good feeling. Check out this G80, guys. This color is sick. I forgot the name of it, but this thing looks so good. It's like a dark red, maroonish, whatever you want to call it. If I get a G80, this is definitely one of the colors I'd consider. Check this out, guys. This is wild. You don't see cars like this too often, that's for sure.
Money, I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same.
Just got back to the 435 and check this out, guys. Look how bad this is. Look how close I was to scraping this thing. I think it's actually on the ground. This dip didn't work in my favor. Oh well. This thing's abused anyways. Yeah, it's definitely looking good though. She's pretty. I'll miss her when she's gone.
All right, guys, we're back in the 435, back in the nice AC. It is absolutely blazing hot right now. We got to see a whole bunch of really cool cars. We got to meet a whole bunch of cool people. I actually met some of you guys, which is really cool, and it's always flattering. I got to meet some other cool people like Gary from Keys, so huge thank you to Gary. You're the man, Gary. I also got to meet Sean from Mashimaro, my guy from Daily Driven as well, as you guys saw. A lot of cool people. I know Mike from Slow Speed was here. I didn't see him. I was looking for you, bro, if you're watching this, but we'll meet up soon. But anyways, guys, we're pretty much gonna head home. We have like a 2.5 hour drive ahead of us. We're both just exhausted from the heat and waking up super early. So at this point, we're just gonna call it a day. We're gonna head home. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop it a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know because I will make more like them. Basically just kind of going around car shows and, you know, making more of like vlog style. I will still continue to do like the DIYs and the builds and stuff like that, but I think it's nice to do a couple videos like this, like the Key Show, obviously this one with MPact. But yeah, if you guys like this type of stuff, definitely let me know down in the comments below. I will try to do more. But anyways, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.